Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to my Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. So this is episode 13 of mine and I did some quilling for the very first time. So I used this quilling tool here, and I used this little pick, and then I used this little glue bottle filled with my art glitter glue. And then on my first project, let me move this stuff out of the way. I used these colors here. Some of these reds I used, and I used some greens out of here, and I used the yellows out of here. And then I used this bow die from Little Inker Designs. I used this tag die from Elena Crafts. And I used a sentiment from the LDRS Creative Summer Garden. And let me show you, oh, and I also used some glitter dust and silver. And this is what I came up with. So it says, I imagined what my soul would look like, and all I saw were flowers. So that was my first project I made. In my second project, I used these colors. I used a whole bunch of blues, and I used some whites. Okay. And then I used this die here, the rectangles. I used these dies here from MFT. They're the Essential Slanted Sentiments. And I used these sequins here from Pink and Main. They're very pretty. And this is what I came up with. I don't know what sentiment I used. I could not find it. I put it up and now I don't remember which one it was. But this is what I came up with. I think it turned out really cute. It has dimension. I stacked some of them on top. And I think it turned out really cute for my first time quilling. It was really fun, guys. Y'all should definitely try it out. It's not as hard as it looks. I just looked on YouTube and I saw somebody doing it and I was like, you know what, I can do that. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.